Well, hi everyone, how you all doing? Hope you're all doing fine. Here it is, a very nice day in the UK. It's Saturday. And what on earth is this chicken doing on top of this bucket? What are you doing on top of there, you annoying thing? Eh? As you can see, we still haven't got them penned in yet. Hopefully that'll be happening at some point. I'm just walking over to Orio's pen. As I think you're aware, we lost a rabbit just recently. Beanie, I think. And look what it's been doing. It's been chewing all that wood around there, yeah? It's been chewing all that wood around there. It's just in here at the moment. It's just gone and hidden in there. Hello, you. Hello, hello. Hello, little cute one. Oh, enjoying yourself on film? Hey? Come on then. Hey, why don't you come over here? Come on. Come on then. Hey. You know, that's quite amusing, having its head stuck out of the door like that. Come on. Hey. Come on then. Come on. Come on then. Come on then. Come on. He shot back in. Come on. Come out. Come on. He's cute, isn't he? That's Orio. Oh, it's out now. I think he does that to, I think he just chews at that tree to say, because it's maybe bored or likes to keep himself occupied. So, shot back in. Well, we managed to get the grass shot. Oh, look, there's Misty there soaking up the sun. Aren't you a Misty? Aren't you a Misty, Misty, Misty moo, Misty moo, Misty moo. Hello, Misty. Hello, Misty. Hello, 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 Misty. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Rubber dub 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 dub. Rubber dub dub. Rubber dub dub. Hey, what's more? Oh, okay. I'll do it some more. Put all these pets in the garden, eh? Oh, yeah. You need a good old brush, don't you? Eh? You need a good old brush. Well, come here, eh? Well, enjoy your rest of the weekend, everyone. Take care, everyone, and please stay safe. Okay? Merci beaucoup for watching. Bye.